So children, in this video, we will see the reaction of acid with metal hydrogen carbonate. Previously, we have checked what is going to happen and what are the products formed when reaction of acid takes place with metal carbonate. And now we have taken here metal hydrogen carbonate. Instead of metal carbonate, here we have taken metal hydrogen carbonate. Generalized reaction will be acid plus metal hydrogen carbonate gives rise to salt plus water plus carbon dioxide. In this reaction also, okay, when acid reacts with metal hydrogen carbonate also, we are going to get the same products as in the previous case, salt, water and carbon dioxide. The required materials and arrangement of all the apparatus will be the same as in the previous case, but here we have changed metal carbonate with metal hydrogen carbonate. In place of metal carbonate, we have taken metal hydrogen carbonate. So here I have changed the chemical. Previously we have taken sodium carbonate. Now here I have taken sodium bicarbonate. The sodium bicarbonate is nothing but sodium hydrogen carbonate, which is a metal hydrogen carbonate. Okay, metal hydrogen carbonate can also be called as metal bicarbonate. Sodium hydrogen carbonate can also be called as sodium bicarbonate. Okay, in the common language we will be calling it as baking soda. Okay, sodium bicarbonate. And arrange all the apparatus as shown in the diagram here. Then take a test tube and place 0.5 grams of sodium bicarbonate in the test tube and fix the mouth of the test tube with a rubber cork containing 2 holes. Introduce thistle funnel through one hole of the rubber cork. Introduce a delivery tube, which is a long narrow glass tube, through the another hole of the rubber cork, and place the another end of the delivery tube in another test tube containing lime water, that is calcium hydroxide solution. Then pour about 2 ml of dilute hydrochloric acid. Here we did not change the acid, that is hydrochloric acid only. 2 to 5 ml of dilute hydrochloric acid should be placed through this thistle funnel into this test tube. Then after the addition of dilute hydrochloric acid into this test tube, there will be a chemical reaction takes place between acid and sodium bicarbonate. And what we are going to get? Acid is dilute hydrochloric acid, HCl, plus metal hydrogen carbonate, here is sodium bicarbonate. So NaHCO3. Upon reaction, we get sodium chloride salt. Here the sodium, basic part is sodium is there and acidic part is the chloride is there from acid. So we will get the salt sodium chloride as in the previous case, and along with H2O, water, carbon dioxide, CO2 gas. Okay, the products are same. 2 hydrogens, chlorine, 3 oxygens. Okay, the reaction is balanced. So these are the products formed. And here salt and water and carbon dioxide, 3 products are there. Salt and water remains in the test tube. The sodium chloride salt and water, hydrogen oxide. Sodium chloride and water both will remain in the test tube only. But CO2 being a gas, it passes through the whole of the delivery tube. This delivery tube is the 2 sides open, a long narrow glass tube which has 2 sides open. So the carbon dioxide, which is a colorless gas, it can pass through this delivery tube and slowly enters into this test tube which contains lime water. On passing this carbon dioxide through this lime water, again immediately we can see the turning of this lime water into milky white precipitate. So on passing carbon dioxide gas through this test tube here, when it mixes with this lime water immediately converts into milky white precipitate due to the formation of calcium carbonate. What is that milky white precipitate formed here? That is CaCO3. CaCO3 is formed here, precipitate. It appears in the form of milky white precipitate. Due to this calcium carbonate only, we can see the formation of milky white precipitate here. So due to this milky white precipitate formation, we can say that the gas formed in the test tube is carbon dioxide gas only. Now, if we pass excess of carbon dioxide into the same test tube containing the calcium carbonate, this calcium carbonate will be dissolving in the excess carbon dioxide and water, and we are going to get a calcium bicarbonate. Okay, for this I will write passing carbon dioxide into lime water, that is CaOH taken twice. What we are going to get? That is milky white precipitate CaCO3 plus water. On passing excess carbon dioxide into this CaCO3 plus H2O. If we pass excess of carbon dioxide into this milky white precipitate, it will be dissolving and we are going to get CaHCO3 taken twice. This is the soluble product. This is called as calcium bicarbonate. Okay, these two reactions are also important. So this is our basic reaction here. When acid, which shows that when acid reacts with a metal carbonate like sodium bicarbonate, we will get the corresponding salt, water plus carbon dioxide gas. Okay children, practice these diagrams and also learn the reactions.